Hello Daisies, welcome back to Frizzy Daisy. I hope you all are doing well with the start of the festive season. Today I was so much excited to get ready and create this festive makeup look because this video is dedicated to my most fave occasion, Ganesh Chaturthi. And if you guys want to know how to create this look, stay tuned. For prepping the skin, I am using Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. It is suitable for all skin types and won't clog your pores, plus is hypoallergenic. This Insight 3-in-1 primer is so amazing and affordable. It keeps your skin moisturized, blur pores and smoothens your skin, giving a non-greasy base. Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser is my most fave concealer. Firstly, as always, I am going to apply it on the eyelids for creating eyeshadow base. I have taken a little bit of the product on a flat brush and spreading it all over my eyelid and also spot correcting on dark spots. Using a beauty blender to blend everything in, this concealer is a high coverage concealer perfect for any occasion plus daily makeup routine. For the foundation, I am using Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I am just taking one pump as it is high coverage product and today I want something minimum. So this foundation has a long lasting formula and feels absolutely lightweight on the skin. It comes in 15 shades. I have linked it in the description box for you to check it out. So we are done with the base and let's move on to the eyebrows. So I am using this teeny weeny micro eyebrow pencil from Root Cosmetics in the shade black brown. Step 1. Use the spoolie and shape your brows, and step 2. Fill in the gaps. I am not much of a eyebrow makeup fan, so this pencil is perfect for me as it blends in very well, leaving a natural look. So today I am going to use two eyeshadow palettes, taking this light color from LA Color eyeshadow palette. I am using this light color for creating a perfect base. Now I am taking grayish light brown color from this palette for the crease. With a fluffy brush I am blending everything in and smoothing out the harsh edges. I am using this yellow glitter color from this eye palette by Root Cosmetics and applying it on the center of the eyelid. This palette is so cute and has amazing pigmented colors. Now moving on to the contour, I am using this K-Beauty contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus. I am using it below the cheekbones and jawline. With a beauty blender, I am blending it in, creating a soft chiseled look. For the blush, I am using Insight Professional Air Blush in the shade in the nude. I am using this shade as for this look I wanted a brown undertone blush to match my outfit. Now I am going to conceal my under eye area using the same concealer from before. I have taken a little bit amount of product on a flat brush to apply and will blend it with a puff, concealing this area. For highlighter, I am using this Insight Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Mermaid Scale. It is a very pretty highlighter, perfect for soft glam looks. I am applying it on the cheekbones, also on the cupid bow area and on the nose bridge. I am using this Maybelline Hyper Glossy eyeliner and creating a small wing. This eyeliner has a fine tip and so easy to use. You can easily create a wing using it. So we are done with the eyeliner and now let's move on to the mascara. I am using this Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. So I don't use falsies, and this mascara helps me giving my eyelashes an amazing lift. As a lip liner, I am using this Maybelline lip gradation. I guess this range is not available anymore, and this is a very pretty shade, and sadly it is about to expire. For the lipstick, I am using this Maybelline creamy matte lipstick in the shade Divine Wine. And we are done with this easy festive makeup look. Let me know in the comment section if you recreate it. Please like and share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and support your girl. Let's meet with another video. Till then, take care and goodbye, and Ganpati Bappa Moria.